Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I just want to show you that how to speed up your videos in the Capcut. So I will show you the easiest way how to do this. So first of all, you have to just open your Capcut and then select for the one video that you want to speed up with. Like you can select it from the new project and you can also select it from your old projects. Like I am selecting this one video and here you can see my video is here. So first of all, you have to just select for the video, just click on the video and select the one part that you want to speed up with. I just want to speed up this section of my video, then I have to just click on it and then click on the speed at the bottom of this page and then click on the normal. And here you have to just drag this drop toward the right to speed up your videos according to your need. Like I just want to speed up this video 5 times, so I just drag this dot to the 5 and then click on the right option here at the bottom. And I just play and show you the speed of this section of my video, and you can see that my video has been speed up successfully. So by using this simple method you can speed up your videos in the Capcut easily. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give a like and recommend for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.